Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get these Sanrio accessories in Heartopia. So if you go to the beach, this is located at like the Amethyst Beach area, you will need to use these gacha machines. So 1, 2, and 3, and then 2 more from like your neighbor's house. So like other DG members will hopefully have it displayed in front of their houses. I put mine in front of my house. But yeah, a lot of people do that as well, so it's easier to access. You have to do it 5 times. Well, it's basically like a maximum of 5 times per day. If you then go here, go to the gacha machine section, you'll get these accessories. We have some headbands and some shoulder bags as well. So I probably got it like in a span of 3 weeks, I believe. It's not like completely 3 weeks, but um actually maybe I think it's 2 weeks. I don't know. I don't remember. But you get these items. Let me show you guys. So these are the headbands. We have the My Melody, Cinnamoroll, and the Kuromi. I like the Cinnamoroll the best because the ears kind of cover like where the like headband is placed. As you can see, this one's like kind of not in the hair, but like this one is cute. This one's not free though. This one you had to like I had to use exhibition passes for that, but like anyways, and these are the shoulder bags. We have the again My Melody, Cinnamoroll, and Kuromi. And yeah, super cute and it's free as well. You just have to use the gacha machine every single day. So my gosh, that's so cute. Like you can see like what's in their bag a little bit. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.